Alright, so today I decided to buy myself a skillet so I could cook on my grill outside, and I got myself some chicken and some peppers and onions and things like that, and I decided to just do something today outside on the grill. Check it out. So what you're looking at is a little bit of my chicken there, and of course I got my onions. Brought this big old this skillet today. Nice big skillet. Can't wait to start eating that. Tell me what you think. Another Rickard production. It's alright. Looks like everything is done. Nice. Let's try and see what asparagus. Yeah. Just look at it. Nice. Soft. Everything done. Ready for eat right now. This is how we do it here at the Rickard household. Here's my baby getting some dinner there. Asparagus and Brussels sprout. I'm sorry, Brussels sprout chicken. Yeah. Does that look good, Michaela? Yeah. There's the wifey getting her food. Look at that. Good.
That looks so good.
Total dinner right there. It's in the evening we get. And that's my plate.